Imagine a world where your computer is like a fortress, safe from the sneaky attacks of digital invaders. Thanks to the folks at Omaha Computing Solutions, this world is within reach. They are experts at helping you protect your computer from malware, those pesky viruses and malicious software that can wreak havoc on your digital life. Omaha Computing Solutions provides a simple yet powerful arsenal to shield your computer. They recommend installing robust antivirus software. It's like having a vigilant guard standing watch over your digital kingdom, ready to repel any threats that try to infiltrate your system. But that's not all. They also emphasize the importance of keeping your software updated. Just like how you would patch up holes in a fence to keep intruders out, updating your software ensures that any vulnerable spots in your system are reinforced, making it harder for malware to find a way in. Omaha Computing Solutions also advises being cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. It's like being wary of strangers offering candy. You never know what might be lurking behind that seemingly innocent link. Furthermore, they stress the significance of backing up your data regularly. By creating a copy of your important files, you can rest easy knowing that even if malware manages to breach your defenses, your precious data remains safe and sound. In a world where cyber threats lurk around every corner, Omaha Computing Solutions is your trusted ally in the battle against malware. With their expert guidance and easy-to-follow tips, you can fortify your computer and safeguard your digital world from harm.